I can really tell like this. I can't tell when it's done like this.
It's a little
I
different.
try to time it, use a timer on it. So each side.
No.
And it's kind of difficult because each steak cooks different, so you can't really kind of, because the thickness is very.
Basically, it's like brown it a couple minutes on each side.
Yeah.
And then from there you'll judge when it starts cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
I stick
Yeah, the probe.
everything.
But since it's bunched up like this, I couldn't do a finger test.
Right.
If it was a regular steak, I could do a finger test. Yeah, same thing as you did.
The what? Like
You're not sitting on there.